Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to add numbered markers to the Divi Timeline module, making it easier for visitors to follow processes, roadmaps, or milestones. We'll cover two methods, using the Divi Booster plugin for a flexible, no-code approach, and a manual CSS method for simpler timelines. Let's get started. To add numbered markers to the Divi Timeline module, Divi Booster provides a simple and flexible solution. This plugin integrates marker numbering directly into the timeline module settings. With Divi Booster, you can enable and style numbered markers without needing to maintain any custom code. This approach ensures that numbering works seamlessly within the builder and remains easy to adjust as needed. For more information on Divi Booster, check out the link included in the accompanying post. To get started, install and activate the Divi Booster plugin on your Divi site. Once it's active, the timeline module will automatically gain additional options for numbered markers, which we'll explore later in this guide. Divi Booster is designed to make customizing your site simple and efficient, offering over 100 new features for the Divi theme. It allows you to easily modify layouts, modules, headers, and more, all without needing to write any code. For details or to get the plugin, check out the link provided in the accompanying post. To begin, navigate to the page containing your timeline module. Once there, open the timeline module settings. Keep in mind that the numbering controls are added to the parent timeline module, not to each individual timeline item. In the timeline module settings, switch to the Design tab. Look for the Marker Settings group and enable the Number Markers option. This will automatically generate numbers inside the timeline markers, so there's no need to manually enter them for each item. It's a quick way to make your timeline visually clear and easy to follow. In the timeline module settings, you'll find a Start Value option. This allows you to set the starting number for your timeline markers. For instance, you can start at 1 for a typical step-by-step sequence, or begin with a higher number if the timeline is a continuation from another section of your page. This flexibility helps tailor the numbering to your specific needs. In the timeline module settings, you'll find a direction option. This allows you to control whether the marker numbers count upward or downward. Ascending numbering is great for processes and tutorials, while descending numbering works well for countdown-style timelines. Choose the option that best fits your specific timeline design. In the timeline module settings, you'll see a step option. This setting allows you to control how much each marker number changes by. For example, setting the step to 1 will give you a sequence like 1, 2, 3, while larger step values can create sequences such as 10, 20, 30. This provides a simple way to customize your timeline's numbering pattern to fit your needs. To style the marker numbers, stay within the Timeline module's Design tab and navigate to the Marker settings. Here, you can adjust the marker number font options. This includes changing the text color, size, weight, and other font styling options. These adjustments allow you to match the numbers to the overall design of your timeline, ensuring a polished and cohesive appearance. Once you've made all your adjustments, save the page to commit your changes. Then, view the page on the front end to see your timeline in action. Your timeline items should now be automatically numbered according to the settings you configured. It's as simple as that. Now that your timeline markers are numbered, you might want to enhance the timeline further to make it more interactive or easier to navigate. For example, you can explore ways to style timeline items as users scroll, convert the timeline module into a horizontal carousel, or even add custom icons to your timeline. For details on these options, check out the related guides linked in the accompanying post. If you're looking for a lightweight way to add numbered markers to your Divi Timeline module, you can use CSS counters. This method is ideal for simple, ascending, numbered timelines. However, keep in mind that it doesn't include the built-in controls, responsive settings, or font options that you'd get with the Divi Booster plugin. To start, edit the page with your timeline module and open the module settings. The CSS we'll add will be applied to the parent timeline module rather than to each individual timeline item. This ensures the numbering applies consistently across the timeline. In the Timeline module settings, navigate to the Advanced tab and locate the Custom CSS section. Here, you'll add your custom CSS code. This code uses CSS counters to automatically generate numbered markers for your timeline. As an example, the provided code starts with an initial value of 2026 and decreases by 4 for each subsequent marker, creating a sequence like 2022, 2018, 2014, and so on. You can customize the starting value and step size in the code to create your desired numeric sequence. For the full code and exact instructions, please refer to the accompanying post. Once you've finished configuring your timeline, save the page to apply your changes. Then, view the page on the front end to see your numbered timeline in action, displaying the automatic numbering exactly as you set it up. It's an effective way to make your timeline both functional and visually clear. Now that your timeline items are numbered the way you want, you might want to explore additional customizations to make it even more unique. For instance, you can learn how to style timeline items as they scroll, turn the timeline module into a horizontal carousel, or add custom icons to the timeline. For details on these enhancements, check out the related guides linked in the accompanying post. Numbered timeline markers might seem like a small change, but they can make a big difference in how easy it is to follow process steps, histories, or project timelines. With Divi Booster, you get the most convenient option, integrating the controls directly into the timeline module. However, if you're comfortable with custom code, the CSS method is a lightweight alternative. If there are other timeline marker options you'd like to see, like prefixes, suffixes, custom number formats, or per-item overrides, feel free to share your suggestions in the comments.